How to add photos to a hidden album on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The iPhone Photos app is a built-in application that serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Go to the top right corner and tap on Select. You can now choose more than one photo or video from here. Select the photos you want to hide. Now, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots. Then, select Hide. Tap on Hide Photos to confirm. These photos will now be hidden, but can be found in the hidden album. You can repeat this to hide other photos or videos as well. Following these steps, you can easily add photos to a hidden album on iPhone.